Hello, hello. Okay, in this session, we are going to create a Google form without actually creating a Google form. We are going to have ChatGPT do it for us. So, Google Forms are really good to capture data. Say you have an event coming up, a workshop coming up, and you want people to register for it and you need to capture their name and email and maybe their company name, something that you can use for future reference. Or if you have a potential client and they have a need for something that you can do, but you need to gather some data from them, and rather than sitting there with them an hour asking all the questions, you can send them a form ahead of time and they can complete it for you. And then you have something to work with, something to reference, and then you streamline your meeting. So, with that said, let's get started. So, now we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a form. Actually, what we're going to do is we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a questionnaire. So first you are going to ask for a questionnaire because you need the questions. Without the questions, there is no form. So for this example, I am going to ask ChatGPT to create a form for a workshop. So please create a questionnaire for attendees registering for my workshop on business formation. And now ChatGPT does its magic, as always. I mean, like, this is just beautiful. I should have a timer here. Okay, so you want to scroll through it, make sure that the questions are relevant. If you see here, business challenges, what are the top 3 challenges you face? And it just has 1, 2, 3. What it's going to do is it's going to create a space for free text. Okay, so now I'm going to say this is great. Now I need the code to create a Google form document. Okay. So you want to be sure that you specify Google form. If you just say a Google document, it's going to give you an HTML, and you cannot use HTML when you are creating a Google form. You actually need the form code. So it gave me all of the code, and then it tells me how to actually run the script. So now you're just going to come into your Google form application. You're going to click on a blank form. Up here on these 3 little dots, you're going to click that, and then you're just going to go to Script Editor. Now you get all this back-end stuff that you probably never saw before, but it's pretty cool stuff. It's always going to give you a pop-up and ask you to confirm. Now you come back over to ChatGPT, and all the way at the top above the script, it'll have a button where it says copy code. So now it's copied. Now you come back in here and you see all of this stuff here. You have to delete all of this. If you don't, you will get errors. So just highlight it and delete. And now you want to copy and paste all of your code in here. So now you have all this beautiful code. You want to come up here and just name your project. So we'll just say, we'll give it today's date and rename. Now you'll come over here and you're going to save your project. Now, if it saves with no error, the run button will appear. If error does happen because maybe an extra character was copied or pasted into the script, the run button will be grayed out just as the save button, and you will get a pop-up telling you which line has the error. So if you see these here, all of these numbers, these are all line items. So if it does have an error, it will tell you line 10 and it'll tell you what the error is. If that happens, simply go back into ChatGPT, copy the error, and just ask it, hey, I just got this error. And what it'll do is it will regenerate the script for you. Now all you want to do is click run, and it's going to ask you to authorize. So you will always have to go through this process, review permissions, and then it's going to ask you to select the actual account that you're using for Google Form. So you'll just click on your account. And you'll just click on allow. Authorization successful. The window disappears and now it will continue to work. It's magic. I mean, I absolutely love this. I am such a Google form like person. I create forms for everything. I mean, I'm data driven, so that is a great way for me to capture data. All right, wonderful. Now you see here, this is the time that you executed it, which basically means when you click this button up here, and this is now telling you that it was created successfully, and it is a Google Doc form, complete. Now you come back up here to your little pad up here, go back to your forms. Here is your form. Business Formation Workshop Registration Questionnaire. Now, if we go back to ChatGPT, you will see all these questions. Now, remember when I showed the question about what are the top 3 challenges you face or expect to face in forming your business? Here is your short answer. It gave you the option for your short answer. And as always, to view what the form would look like when a attendee is completing it, you click the little I, and this is what it looks like. How beautiful is that? Now you can go back to it, and if you want to share this form, you click on send, and you can enter an email in here, or you can simply just copy the link and you can shorten the link and then just copy it and paste it into an email. I hope this was helpful.